Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Friday Fun Day activity. It is March 12th, and so here we're going to do an activity called Find My X. And we're going to create a poster with at least 6 mathematical word problems describing yourself. All right, so here is my poster. We'll take a look at it in just a moment. And each word problem that you create has an equation to match it. And the equations must take at least one step to solve. So, for example, if my word problem is my brother is 2 years older than me and he is 25 years old, how old am I? So here I have X representing my age. And then since my brother's 2 years older than me, I have plus 2 equals 25. So notice I have X here with an operation. In this case, it's adding 2. And so that's what you need to have on your paper. It could be adding 2, it could be subtracting a number, multiplying by a number, or dividing by a number, but it must require one step to get X by itself. If I had rewritten this as X equals 25 minus 2, there isn't really a step that we need to do to get X by itself. All right? And so we don't want X by itself over here on the one side of the equation. We want to make it a little bit more difficult, a little bit more complex, like we see in algebra, of X plus 2 equals 25. And then from here, we would solve by subtracting 2 from both sides and getting X alone. All right. That says equations may require more than one step to solve, and here's an example of that. So my example is 5 less than double my height equals 139 inches. What is my height? So here X represents my height, 2X, so double my height, and then minus 5 because it's 5 less than double my height equals 139. Now here, if we wanted to solve for X, we'd have to start with this minus 5 and get rid of that by doing the opposite of subtraction, which would be adding 5 to both sides. And then when we make this 144, it'd be 2X equals 144. So we have to divide both sides by 2 to get X alone. So this would turn into just X, and then 144 divided by 2 would give me 72 inches. So my height would be 72 inches. So be creative, artsy, meticulous while creating your poster. All right, meticulous means that you're going to want to double check to make sure that your equations match up with your word problems. And just remember, other students in class will try their best to set up an equation and solve your missing value. So we're going to hang these up around the room, and then we're going to do a little gallery walk here. All right, and online students, please be online this afternoon to check Canvas, as I will have a document posted that has all the different students Find My X posters created. All right, and so this may be posted around 1 p.m. or even 2 p.m. depending on how long it takes them. And so you're going to want to check back in this afternoon or tonight or even over the weekend. And so once you're finished creating your poster, please upload it to Canvas under Find My X activity. All right. And then here's my example. So taking a look at my example, I have my brother is 2 years older than me. He's 25. How old am I? All right. I also have some about my favorite number. So 32 divided by my favorite number equals 4. All right. And you could write this as 32 divided by X or 32 over X equals 4. All right. And then I've got questions about my pet's tail length, my basketball jerseys, and just had a lot of fun with it, and I hope you have some fun with it too. All right? So remember, you are going to submit your document into Canvas when you are finished, and you'll all be good to go.